Most common mistake that pet parents make. Oopsie alert. Hey pet pals, let's unravel the most commonly overlooked slip in pet parenting: hydration. Discover the scoop on a hiccup that even the best pet parents might miss. So, here's the scoop. Amidst the joys of pet parenthood, we often unintentionally overlook hydration needs. Water is a lifeline for our pets' well-being. Let's keep those water bowls full, and our pets happily hydrated. Voila, Oopsie unveiled. Subscribe for more quick tips, and together, let's ensure our pets stay hydrated and happy. Drop a paw emoji if you're ready to keep those tails wagging.